everyone, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. I am the Healthy Human. Today's tip is to use a habit tracker. Now a habit tracker is basically just kind of, for example, I use just a sheet of paper with all of my habits that I want to achieve. So in a day I want to drink 3 litres of water, I want to walk 10,000 steps, I want to do a workout, I want to read, I want to eat my serve of veggies, just kind of things like that, like good kind of habits, or kind of wake up at a certain time or go to bed or get a certain amount of hours sleep. So you write all those down and then you kind of have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and each day you kind of go through, did I do this? Yes. Did I do this? Yes. And basically you kind of just tick it off, and it kind of just gives you more awareness of your habits daily. So if you're really focusing on drinking your 3 litres of water a day, then you'll make sure that you see it. You have to get it done every single day. I find it super helpful, especially when I have a specific goal in mind. So you can use Habits Tracker for anything really. It doesn't have to be fitness or health related. It can be kind of like if you're working on a project, you have to do 30 minutes of that a day, and you know, it's a habit for you, and you know, it takes a while to create a habit, but if you record that and focus on it each and every day, it'll be so much easier. So that is today's tip, to use a habit tracker. And you can also get lots of templates online as well, so that can make it easier rather than you having to do it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.